Finally, we have the most expected robust smartphone of the year on the review, the 8849 Tank-Free by UniHertz. If you need a smartphone for the apocalypse, then you come to the right place. The one and only Tank-Free, the most powerful rugged smartphone on the market, has one of the largest batteries ever, 23,800 mAh with incredible 120-watt charging, up to 32 GB of RAM, 512 GB of internal storage, 200 megapixel main camera, powered by the premium Dimensity 8200 chipset, built-in Laser Rangefinder, and much more. Be sure to watch this 8849 Tank-Free video review and learn more. .8849 brand, with their new Tank-Free model, has created the ultimate smartphone for every prepper, survivalist, every camper and adventure traveler. There is simply nothing better than this. No other smartphone on the market has this set of features, but without talking too much, let's start with unboxing. The smartphone comes in a large black packaging. The lines of the phone case are visible from the front. The Tank-Free is visible on the side. Let's see what's in the box. Right at the beginning, it's our smartphone. We'll put it aside for now. What we have here, additional tempered glass, even though our smartphone already has a screen protector installed out of the box. Tank-Free user manual and the rest of the paperwork. USB-C cable. And finally, this ultra-fast 120-watt charger that can charge this huge battery from 0 to 90% in just 90 minutes, which is a fantastic result. Okay, that was the contents of the box. Now it's time to move on to our smartphone. Now, this phone is a beast, weighing of 666 grams and measuring 31 mm in thickness. It's one of the stickiest rugged phones I've seen in a long time, but hey, that's for a good reason. The Tank-Free houses one of the largest batteries ever made and its incredible 23,800 mAh, ensuring you won't run out of the power for days and days. And check out this massive 1200 lumen LED flashlight. This smartphone truly manifests quality and robustness, showcasing impeccable finishing precision straight from the factory. Its unique design is a head-turner, drawing attention wherever you go. The meticulous craftsmanship is evident in every detail, making it not just a device but a statement of sophistication. The 8849 brand has done its best yet in this third edition of the Tank. So let's see what we have on the case of this smartphone. On the right side, in this grey metal frame, we find a tray for SIM cards and a memory card. Yes, the Tank-Free supports up to 2 SIM cards plus memory card up to 2 TB at the same time, which is really rare to see today. Under the SIM tray, we find the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side, right up, you discover a pair of meticulously crafted metal perforate buttons serving as volume controls for intuitive user experience. Directly beneath those buttons, a duo of additional shortcut keys await your command. The first key, this red one, by default activates this strong LED light from behind. Both keys can be programmed so that with them you can start certain applications or functions inside the smartphone. Each of these keys can be started 3 different functions with one press, long press, double press, which is in total of 6 options that you can launch with them. At the bottom, concentrate beneath a robust rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistant seal. You will discover USB Type-C charging port and a classic 555mm headphone jack. On the upper side, there is a Laser Rangefinder and the infrared connection for equipment tool. Tank-Free differs from its predecessor in the projector has been replaced by the Laser Rangefinder. In the program, you have the possibility of laser measurement of surface, volume and length up to 40 meters. I believe that this function will be useful for some people. Another function that could be benefit even more people is this infrared sensor, which you can use for Tank 3 phone as a universal remote control in your household, with which you can control almost all devices such as air conditioning, hi-fi stereo system, television. Thousands of models are supported, although application on your mobile phone as well as the other devices that have infrared connectivity. This is a really great and useful feature, one remote for all devices in the home. Featuring a modern punch hole design, the Tank 3 houses an impressive front camera for selfies and video calls, boasting a remarkable 50 megapixel resolution and is equipped with the face unlock function for added security. The display on this device is nothing short of extraordinary, setting a new standard for visual excellence. With a cool white light that enhances clarity, the screen produces rich, vibrant colors and delivers crystal clear content reproduction. It stands out with the exceptional quality. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability and clear visibility in all lighting conditions, even under the bright rays of the sun. For multimedia enthusiasts, the Tank 3 provides an excellent large display that elevates the experience of watching videos and consumption content. This smartphone is not just about visuals, it's also a powerhouse that it comes to endurance. Fueled by a massive 23,800 mAh battery, the Tank 3 boasts an impressive claim of 48 hours of non-stop video playback. This endurance ensures that you can go for days without worrying about recharging, making it ideal companion for those on the go. The Tank 3 is not just a smartphone, it's a visual and functional marvel that redefines what we can expect from our mobile devices. Now let's shift our focus to the back of the smartphone. Contrary to the Tank 2 model, the Lightning setup has undergone a reduction, but what remains is truly remarkable, presenting an impressive 1200 lumen camping light, boasting 3 distinct options and strengths. This feature transforms your smartphone into the reliable torch for outdoor adventures. Whether you are camping under the stars or navigating through the darkness, these lights provide ample brightness, ensuring you well equipped for any situations. However, the innovation doesn't stop here. Prepare to be amazed as this smartphone takes a step further by incorporating red-blue warning lights reminiscent of those found on a police car. In emergency situations, there is a tension-grabbing light can be activated to alert and signal for help. This intense brightness serves as a real lifesaver. Let's take a closer look at this impressive featuring in action. In any case, wherever you appear with this smartphone, there is a show. Moving on, up above these massive LED lights is an impressive array of cameras. There is a triple camera system comprising a 200 megapixel primary sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide unit, and a 64 megapixel night vision snapper. On the front there is a 50 megapixel selfie camera, main 200 megapixel lens from Samsung, night 64 megapixel omnivision telephoto, 8 megapixel wide angle, 10 times digital zoom, slow motion and time-lapse video recording, night photography, electronic stabilization. The infrared night camera is the top of the notch, and in the total darkness you will see F is a day, which is visible in my samples. Video recording on the main camera is possible in a maximum resolution, even 4K. The integrated sensor of the Tank 3 goes above and beyond, delivering unparalleled image quality that captures stunning details with remarkable clarity. Without further ado, let's take a look at the photo and video samples I made with our Tank 3. Paired with 16GB of RAM, which with additional 16GB of virtual RAM can be upgraded to a total of 32GB of RAM, and with the huge 512GB of storage that can be upgraded with the memory card of the 2TB, this phone works smoothly and efficiently. The Tank 3 is now using a 4nm class chip production process. The Dimensity 8200 gives a premium 5G smartphone best-in-class power efficiently, with the CPU clock speed exceeding 3 GHz and powerful Mali G610 graphic engine. The Dimensity 8200 run games with smooth fast frame rates in popular titles and impressive performance in every app and activities. The Dimensity 8200 is incredible efficient performance combined with the Hyper Engine 6.0 power efficiency enhancement ensure gameplay lasts longer than ever on battery. So for passionate gamers, this phone is something special, and it excels in gaming. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the high settings, and the 120Hz refresh rate display will certainly contribute to this pleasure. Furthermore, the phone boasts a huge 23,800 mAh battery, guaranteeing 38 hours of uninterrupted gaming pleasure. You can also expect rapid fast charging of this huge battery, and a 120-watt charger can be charged from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. The Tank 3 operates on the latest Pure Android 13 operating system, delivering a clean and familiar user interface. It comes with the essential preloaded Google application, ensuring a seamless connection to the Google ecosystem. The entire interface on the phone works flawlessly and extra fluidly. Additionally, it offers useful built-in applications like the System Manager Optimizer, FM radio, and versatile toolbox that really has many useful tools that can prove handy in various field situations. Notably, the Tank 3 supports NFC-enabled compatibility with the Google Pay for convenient mobile payments. It boasts Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a dependable GPS system with support for 4 satellite networks. Furthermore, it is compatible with a wide range of global networks including 5G, 4G and more. Certainly, it's worth emphasizing that the Tank 3, boasting an exceptional IP68 and IP69K rating, ensures not only resistance but resilience against dust and water and grease, capable of withstanding submersion in water of up to depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. This smartphone emerges as the optional choice for plenty of outdoor activities, ensuring reliability even in the wet or dust environments. Going beyond standard ruggedness, the Tank 3 successfully undergone rigorous testing meet the strength military standard MIL-STD 810H. In conclusion, the Tank 3 stands out from its predecessor by including 5G connectivity and a significantly larger battery, boasting an impressive 23,800 mAh capacity. This powerhouse of a battery promises exceptional endurance with the staggering 1,800 hours of standby time, 180 hours of calling time, 98 hours of music playback, 48 hours of video playback and 38 hours of gaming. Charging this mammoth battery, it's a fast process thanks to the support for 120-watt wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities, enabling the phone to reach 90% battery capacity in just 90 minutes. Underneath its rugged exterior, the Tank 3 doesn't compromise on the performance. It houses a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chip paired with 32GB of RAM and a generous 512GB storage capacity running on the Android 13. This smartphone features an impressive 6.79-inch display with the 120Hz refresh rate. On the camera front, it boasts a triple camera system comprising 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide unit and a 64-megapixel night vision snapper. There is a high-resolution 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Beyond its robust specifications, the Tank 3 it is IP-rated. Additional features include the 40 meters laser rangefinder and the infrared sensor and the LED flashlight with the powerful 1200 lumens brightness level. After all the above, it is hard to believe in existence of such a smartphone. Brand 8849 managed to create it, and it is one and only Tank 3. If you're impressed with this unique look, great features and the capabilities of the Tank 3, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get your brand new Tank 3 today while you have a chance. Thank you for watching, feel free to click like if you like the video, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.